Hello everyone, this is Thomas and I'm here with Tuuli. We are developers at Columbia Road and we wanted to give you a little presentation about our approach on documentation. Solutions that we provide are often central and crucial to the business of our clients. For some, even 100% of their business might come through the services created together with us. Documentation obviously helps with anything from further development and communication to handovers and onboarding. And as an overall goal, we aim to keep the projects always in a state where they could be handed over to the client within a short time frame.
In the beginning of the project or even in the planning phase, make sure you have enough time for the documentation and make sure that the time is included in the estimation as well. Because documenting takes time and you can't and you even shouldn't document everything. So you can start by listing all the necessary things that you need to document and start prioritizing them with the time that you have. Also, don't forget who are you making the documentation for and what are the problems that they are trying to solve. What is the overall view of the project? Why were the big choices made? So why did we use a certain platform or tech stack? And who are the important stakeholders in the project?
Exactly, and then drilling a bit deeper details. So also what is the general technical architecture of the solution, API definitions of the related services, generally processes that are recurring often but for some reason cannot be automated just yet, and overall things that are not under constant change.
The easiest way to ensure that the documentation is actually written and stays up to date is to tie it up with some other processes. For example, if you're using Scrum, you can make it part of your definition of done, or you can have it as a checklist item on your pull request. Also, if you like, you can make it a part of your routine and reserve some time for documentation writing, for example, every month or even more often.
Typically, projects need at least some kind of generic overview documents, and at Columbia Road have created a set of documentation templates to support thinking about what kind of documentation is needed and to provide a starting point for creating the documentation that is given for each client case. First of all, the project overview is a high-level description of the problem and systems are being worked on, and the surrounding context as well. Then, of course, the onboarding documents for helping team members to get up to speed on the project, and ways of working to describe the practicalities and possible SLAs and also the responsibilities and how they are divided among members.
Definitely. So when the new developer is joining the team, the first thing they are asking is the architecture description. So the technical overview is definitely important. Also some service-specific documentation that gives more detailed description of the individual services. For example, storefront, the product API, or whatever microservices you have in your project. Also the end-user manual. This content can vary a lot, but typically in web shop it describes shopkeeper functionality that is necessary for the day-to-day running of the shops.
Cheers. Bye-bye.
Bye!